On today's video, which is better, brewed versus instant coffee? It's coffee time. Roll the intro. What's up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, start now by clicking that red subscribe button. Move over a little bit and click that bell so that you don't miss a thing on this video. Famous song by Aerosmith. I'm not going to sing it because I've already done that once and probably bored you. I know. Like I just told you, today's video is all about it's coffee time. I'm going to prepare...
One of our favorite pastimes.
Yeah, one of our favorites. We love coffee because everybody's in a caffeinated state, whether you know it or not. It's just how people live. It's just how people live. So, I'm going to create a cold brew that I just discovered from Keto Connect. Yes, I went to another website and you're going to learn how to make it here. If you don't follow them and you follow us, you just learn how to make cold brew, okay? I drink a lot of hot coffee, but today I'm going to teach you how to make a cold brew with brewed coffee. And Susan,
I am going to do the new popular cream coffee, which is from South Korea. It's called Dalgona. I think they...
See right there, it's not going to be good.
It's called Dalgona. They call it Dalgona, but it starts with a D. So
is that like Take Me Away Talgon?
Like Dalgona.
Dalgona.
Oh, Dalgona. Anyway.
So Susan's going to make that. I'm going to make, and it's with instant coffee. And mine's with brewed coffee.
Cannot stand cold coffee. Any way, shape, form. I don't love coffee ice cream. I love hot coffee. But I do, every now and then I can deal with a frappuccino. The Dalgona coffee, love it. It is so good.
So we're going to see which is better. Brewed versus instant. So I'll see if I can change your mind. Let's get coffee.
Let's get caffeinated.
Yes.
Do that.
You just did.
No, you do it.
Let's get caffeinated.
Okay, for the ingredients for the Dalgona coffee, it's 2 tablespoons of erythritol, 2 tablespoons of coffee, but we just use this little jewel right here. It's Starbucks Via Colombia, delicious. 3/4 of a cup of almond milk. We use vanilla almond milk. It has 1 gram of carbs for 1 cup, so not even a whole carb. Not even a whole carb. And with everything, I always mix stevia and erythritol. I'm going to add a couple of drops of stevia into the mix. Oops, and also 2 tablespoons of hot water.
All right, here's the deal with the coffee. This is a cold coffee mix that I found on Keto Connect. It's really delicious if you're in the mood for that cold coffee. Now, I have used Newmans Own organic It's a bold, extra bold blend. And what I've did is I just used that Keurig. Do me about 12, a little over 12 ounces. Throw it in the fridge, let it chill overnight. Now I do that. Now you can buy cold brew at Publix, Walmart, or whatever. You've seen it in the coffee section. All right, what I've got here is I've got 8 ounces of cold coffee, which I have chilled overnight. I've got a cup of shredded ice or chopped ice, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't matter, it's going to go in the blender. I've got a 1/4 of a cup of erythritol. I've got 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and I'm going to throw some stevia in there too, just to mix it up a little bit so the sweetener's a little better. Now this is the little magic piece right here a lot of people don't know about. This is an 1/8 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum. What this is going to do is going to make the little mix, ooh, don't spill it. It's going to make the mixture just a little, it's going to thicken up things, basically, which is going to add a little bit to the mix. So we're going to mix this up. So first we're going to throw in the ice. We're going to put the liquid in first so everything doesn't stick to the bottom. We're going to throw in the milk. Heavy whipping cream. Erythritol.
You have a little bit of yummy goodness.
Little drops right there. Oh, missed it. You gotta have that. It's gonna make all the difference. Throw that in. And then the xanthan. Now we're gonna
remember.
Is it xanthan or xanthan? I've heard it both ways. We're gonna take this over to the blender and blend it up for yummy goodness. Well, as you can see from, I put a picture up somewhere of this, so not just the live version of this, or not live version, the recorded version. Well, it is live because we're recording and we're live, so I guess you could technically say that.
We're alive?
Yeah, we're alive and we're recorded this. Not sure if that's live, same thing. I digress. But here is the live version of this. I just showed a picture somewhere. I hope it showed up if I'm doing my job correctly. There's a beautiful picture of this cup, and this is the. Oh, wait, we should drink each other.
I like the fact that you did your own little thing this time.
Hey, that's Frappuccino, baby. I tell you what, though, I think, and this is all experimental at home, people. Well,
cheers.
Let's do, yeah, cheers, coffee time. That's delish, dude. Look, and this is experimental stuff too, because I think to add a little extra kick, if you like the kick, I think you could put brewed and instant. A little packet,
that's sweet.
A little packet instant in there. I made a little sweet. Here's the Dalgona.
Dalgona. Now that'll kick. That kicks you.
That's good. Hold on.
Wait, that's mine's. Isn't that good?
No, wait a minute. No, mine's a little sweeter.
Yours is way
Mine's
sweet.
Like a. Maybe should I back off the erythritol?
Yes, I would cut that like in half.
Doesn't matter. If you like Frappuccino and you like the sweetness, use as much as you want. But I'm not used to sweetened coffee anymore since we started keto, and I'll probably back off the sweetener on this, even though it's really delicious.
The only kind of coffee I really drink, I'll drink this like maybe once a week.
Coffee
and
time.
Then I'll drink, I I drink bulletproof coffees like every single day. A blended. I just call it blended.
Butterproof coffee.
Yeah.
Or some people call
delicious. Oh, I got this recipe from Joe Duff because he uses 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and I just use the Via.
Yeah, the Via, which is the same thing as instant coffee from Starbucks.
And
Joe Buff, as Susan likes to call him.
He is.
Wow.
Anyway, all of the information will be in the description below, and all of the, what do you call it?
Macros, ingredients. If I could remember to put them in there. What time is it?
Dude, we're going to be awake all night because it's nighttime.
Wait a minute. If you did like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep it coffee keto. Or keto coffee. Let's keep that one.
Nope.
It's a good one. It's always good.